So I'll go ahead. I'm going to create a new job. It's easier to do that. I want to show off a couple of the last pieces here. Okay, back to our gasket. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna use a pen. I've had enough gaskets for today. Let's see. How about this thing? So this is a Bluetooth headset case, right? Very common, I'm sure. Obviously, I'm not doing any Plantronics demonstrations, but I wanted to show the fixture point of the line tool. So my locate tool, I'm going to go here and I'm going to say locate an edge. I'll go ahead and drag this tool over. Again, I'm looking for it in this direction over here. I want to take my skew tolerance. I want to make it 10 degrees to be able to find that. You can see here now it finds that particular edge. And now I could add and fixture. So it's the exact same tool I showed before under the presence absence. However, this one allows you to fixture off of it, right? So let me just put a tool over here. And I guess it really doesn't matter. I'll use U contrast tool. All right, so now contrast tool is fixtured off of edge one. So if I move any kind of bottling application or things moving down the line, this is a good fixture for. So I can move this over a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll acquire the next image here. When I do that, you can see that the contrast tool is going to move both in direction of angle as well as the X and Y. Okay, so that's how that particular piece works, right? So that is again moving that particular fixture point, right? So the reason why I showed you why it moved in the X and then the Y it moved off on a slight angle is because you have that capability and that adjustment to be able to change that, right? So we call this fixture type. And this is where you could send the full information, which is the XY location of the angle or of the line and the angle. Or you could just say, hey, I only want to send the position or only the Y position. Right. So you saw how the contrast tool rotated a little bit. Well, I could just say, hey, I just want it to be the position only, don't send the angle. That way that contrast tool wouldn't have rotated. Right. So with an edge tool, because it can move around and be so variable, we wanted to give you the power to be able to select the exact way you wanted the tools to fixture off of. So this is where you could come and play with that. Very, very powerful. You're not going to see that in a lot of other tools that are out there. So make sure you check that one out and dig into it a little bit more as you play and move through things. So very powerful little extra feature. One of those little extra add-ons that we throw in to try to help differentiate this thing from other tools that you'll find out there in the market. So